Welcome back, kitchen dwellers. Today we are going to be talking about reheating your food. But first, consider this 100% made up scenario. After some interesting decisions made by the head office, you are now even more overworked, and after a morning full of trying to stop angry customers from yelling at you, you are hungry. You drag your feet to the fridge and alas, in the layered labyrinth of lidded leftovers lays your luxurious lunch. And now you ponder, how do I heat this up for proper enjoyment? Well, please allow me to show you. To the combination steam oven. First things first, after extracting your lunch from a series of slapping, knocking, sliding, lifting, and possibly more dedicated actions, place your rice and veggies, pizzas, dim sum buns, and what have you onto an oven and dishwasher safe plate. Most of those glass containers with a clippable lid will also serve this purpose. Or if you run out of containers, you can also use one of the trays that came with the ovens. Place your food in a combination steam oven and now select Special Modes, Reheat. Now, if you do not know what you're doing, which I assume you don't because you're watching this video, just leave the other settings as is and select the time only. For the time, I recommend adding 3 minutes to what you normally do in the microwave for your food. So if you normally reheat your food in the microwave for 2 minutes, you would do 5 minutes here in the combination steam oven. However, if you are reheating food with dough, such as pizzas and whatnot, I would recommend decreasing the moisture level to the lowest possible to preserve the texture of the dough or the bread. After the setup is done, hit start, as your lunch is now on its way back to deliciousness. After the oven finishes the reheating process, take your food out and enjoy your now properly reheated lunch. You will notice the steam combination reheat function will provide a much more enjoyable result, with the proper addition of moisture back into the reheating process, unlike microwaves, which will typically dry out your food as you're reheating them. The combination steam oven also allows for a very even heating process, unlike microwaves, where some of the spots in the food may be still cold after the reheat. Now enjoy your lunch and head back into your busy afternoon with refreshed dedication. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to improve your home appliance experience. If you found my content helpful, please like, subscribe, and most importantly, share with others who needs these info. All of the contents will be categorized by appliance type on my channel for more tips and how-tos. These contents are based on my personal experience and opinion. Miele Limited does not sponsor, support, or dictate any of the contents created here. Social media connections are on the screen, as well as some other related videos. Have fun in the kitchen!